To save time on future creations, you can turn any finished project into a reusable template. Open the project options and select Make Template. Assign it a name. The description, tags, and categories options are optional but can help you better organize your templates. Your template is now safely saved in the Templates tab. You can use it by selecting the Use Template option. You can also use it when starting a project via New and choosing Template.